Hey guys, Super Godzilla Final Wars here, and today I am back once again with another video. So, really short flight, get out of the... I'm so sorry about that, folks. Now, anyways, today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Hiya Toys Godzilla vs. Kong Atomic Breath version. I'm not calling it Heat Ray. So, yeah, let's go on ahead and get this unboxing over with. Hold Oh. Holy crap, this guy is bigger than I thought. Folks, look how big this guy is. This guy is huge. What the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god, this guy looks amazing. Oh my god, this guy is amazing. Oh wow. Here are the accessories to come with. Here's the Atomic Breath, which works way, way better than the SH monster of the Atomic Breath. And here is an extra neck piece with another headpiece for the Atomic Breath effect. So yeah, this is my unboxing. This is my first Hiya Toys Godzilla figure. So yeah, this is my first Hiya Toys Godzilla figure. I might get more in the near future. So yeah, definitely Godzilla 2000 and Evolved Godzilla are definitely going to be one of them. But yeah, this is my unboxing. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.